Beautiful, beautiful rainy weather. Good for several things. Ducks, plants, and working inside. G'day, Bizy from Bizy Ranch here. And while it's wet outside and I can't really work outside today, I thought I'd take the time and make a video about setting up our latest garden bed here. It's a zinc loom, 740mm high, circular raised garden bed. It's about 1 metre diameter and it's another bed from Birdies products. So I thought I'd go through, open it up, show you what's involved, and then show you the process of putting it together. Let's crack into it. Right, let's open it up. So it comes packaged and shipped out just in this singular box. Turn him around. And you can see that's how it comes. So there is, let's have a look here, four sheets of the curved material in here. Rubber stripping that's going to go on the top of the bed. Personally, I've got one on the bed here. I didn't use it because it's got a rolled curved edge on the tops and bottoms as well. Yes. Pull this out. Pop that away over there. Right, there's a short, helpful and handy tips form that comes in the box. Gives you a bit of direction as well onto the growing area, if you wish to use that. Also comes packaged stainless steel bolts and nuts with a flat washer as well. So that's going to be enough to put this whole bed together. Like I said, the 4 sheets, we're going to go through and set them up. So let's crack in and do that. These Birdies raised beds come pre-drilled with pre-rolled edges. So as we go and set up in this bed in particular, we're simply going to line up the pre-drilled holes one behind each other, and we're going to put the bolts and nuts through them. So I'll go ahead and do one. Moving out of the way. So we're going to take, let me focus him in, screw, nut and washer. So the bolt is going to go on the outside, on the inside is going to be the washer, then the nut. I'll go ahead and do one. Alrighty, let me go through and completely do this whole row, and then I'll show you what she looks like. Alright, I've put all the screws and nuts and bolts in this one side here. Like that. It's going to look nice and pretty when it's all finished. So I'm not going to tighten it up until I finish putting on all the sections so I can keep it nice and level. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish doing all those. Let's do this in quick time. Maybe if you're a little bit shorter than me without long arms, you might want to do a 2-person operation. a little bit tight, squeeze them together, and the bolt's going to hold it in place. Right, so the bed is all bolted up. Now I'm going to go around and tighten all the bolts up. So just before I get in and tighten it all up, this is how many bolts and nuts that I've got left over, and washers. Quite a few. They're not missing, it's just extras in case you needed them. The tool as well, they give in this kit, looks just like this. Now if you want to do it the long way, you can use it that way. But I find using a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill is going to save a lot of time. So I'm going to go through and tighten all these up. If you are interested in this product at all, the Birdies raised garden beds, or you want to purchase one maybe for yourself, I'll put a link in the description so you can take the link there and have a look exactly what they have to offer. Keep an eye out because a lot of times they have sales on. Sorry about that rain. A lot of times they have sales on. Good customer service. I've had an issue with them before, and I rate these garden beds highly. I like the stand-up raised garden bed, and I think they're quite good. One thing, lastly, I'll note on this raised garden bed is it doesn't have any side braces. A lot of their other garden beds have a brace that goes between the lengths of them if they're quite long, to stop it bowing out and the sides falling over. These ones are quite strong and it doesn't require it. So the last thing you want to do with this garden bed is your plastic topping. Simply clips over the top edge and go on just like that and run around the whole top edge. Personally, I'm not going to use it because I find the rolled edge is not sharp at all and I like the look better. I don't know how this is going to go in the sun. We'll see how time goes. Maybe I'll put it on a bit later. So that's it. How easy. Didn't take long at all. Put this 4-piece round 1 metre diameter raised garden bed up, and now all we need to do is put it in the garden, fill it up with dirt and get planting. Too easy, isn't it? Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you later.